1. What is the capital of Germany? A. Paris. B. Rome. C. London. D. Berlin. The correct answer is D. Berlin. 2. Which is the largest planet? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. The correct answer is D. Jupiter. 3. How many legs does a spider have? A. B. 10. C. 12. D. 6. The correct answer is 8. 4. Who discovered electricity? A. Tesla. B. Franklin. C. Edison. D. Newton. The correct answer is B. Franklin. 5. Which organ is responsible for breathing? A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Kidneys. D. Heart. The correct answer is B. Lungs. 6. How many days are in a leap year? A. 360. B. 364. C. 366. D. 365. The correct answer is C. 366. 7. Which is the national bird of India? A. Sparrow. B. Peacock. C. Parrot. D. Crow. The correct answer is B. Peacock. 8. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Gold. B. Mercury. C. Iron. D. Copper. The correct answer is B. Mercury. 9. Which continent is the Sahara Desert in? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Asia. D. Africa. The correct answer is D. Africa. 10. What is the main source of energy for Earth? A. Wind. B. Moon. C. Stars. D. Sun. The correct answer is D. Sun. 11. What is the freezing point of water? A. 100 degrees Celsius. B. 0 degrees Celsius. C. 50 degrés Celsius. D. 25 degrés Celsius. The correct answer is B. 0 degrees Celsius. 12. Which planet has rings? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Saturn. The correct answer is D. Saturn. 13. What do bees produce? A. Honey. B. Sugar. C. Wax. D. Milk. The correct answer is A. Honey. 14. Which gas is used by divers? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Carbon. The correct answer is C. Helium. 15. What is the national flower of India? A. Sunflower. B. Lotus. C. Lily. D. Rose. The correct answer is B. Lotus. 16. How many hours in a day? A. 12. B. 36. C. 24. D. 48. The correct answer is C. 24. 17. Which instrument is used to see tiny objects? A. Telescope. B. Microscope. C. Periscope. D. Binoculaire. The correct answer is B. Microscope.